Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EduSphere. In this video, I would like to discuss about signal BN operator question paper 2025. So in this video, I will discuss only arithmetic portion, and in the next video, I will discuss the other question. So here the first question they ask, question number 61, what is the average of the number 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18? So to find out, you have to add all the numbers. Okay, so 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 and plus 18. So if you add all this number, you will get 70. Now if you divide 70, here how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So divide with 5, you will get how much? 14 as the average. Okay, so it means option which one? Option B is your correct option. Next, question number 62, the average of 5 consecutive integers is 25. What is the largest integer? So here largest integer will be 27. Okay, but in the option it is not given. Okay, so your answer will be 27 here. Next, question number 63, the average of 3 number is 20 if 2 number is 18 and 22. What is the third number? So 3 number average is how much given? 20. So multiply 3 into 20 is equal to how much? So 60 altogether. Then out of that 2 are given what? 1 is given 18, so subtract 18. Again another one is given 22, so again subtract 22. If you subtract, you will get how much? You will get 20. So it means which one? Option A is your correct option. Next, question number 64, the average of 10 number is 50. If one number is excluded, the average become 49. What is the excluded number? So here 10 numbers, so 10 into, you have to multiply with 50. So 10 into 50 is equal to, you will get how much? You will get 500. Okay, now again if one number is excluded, now remaining how many number? Remaining is 9 number. Okay, so 9 into how much? It is your 49 average. So if you multiply, you will get how much? You will get 441. Okay, now what? You have to subtract from here. If you subtract, you will get how much? You will get 59. So again, if you see here in the option, 59 option is not given, but your actual answer is how much? It is your 59 only, but here option has not given to you. Next, question number 65, find the average of first 100 positive integers. So to find out the first 100 positive integers and their average, so first of all you have to find out their sum of 1 to 100. So if you add it, there is a formula is what? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, if you want to find out the sum, so here n value is how much? 100. Okay, then here 100 plus 1 divided by 2. Then if you simplify further, it will be your 100, then 100 plus 1 will be 101 divided by 2. Then you can divide here 100 with 2 will be 50 times. Then if you multiply 50 into 101, you will get 5050, you will get. Okay, now to find out the average, you have to divide with the total numbers. So it is how much? There are 100 numbers, so if you divide with 100, you will get how much? It will be your 50.5. again if you see here, 50.5 answer has not given to you, but actual answer is how much? It is your 50.5, but in the option only 50 given here. Okay, so next, question number 66, they ask what is the 25% of 200? So 25% means how much? It is your 25 by 100. Then you have to multiply with how much? 200. So if you multiply here 100 and 200, how many times? That is your 2 times. Then 25 into 2 will be 50. So if you see here, option which one? Option B is your correct option. Next, question number 67, a person bought a product for how much? 800 and sold for 1000 rupees. What is his profit percentage? Okay, so here they have given you cost price is equal to, given it is how much? It is 800 given, and selling price is equal to, given it is 1000 rupees. So next, what? Profit is equal to profit formula is what? That is your selling price minus cost price. It means 1000 minus 800. So 1000 minus 800, you will get how much? 200. Okay, next what you have to find out the profit percentage. Now profit percentage is equal to, formula will be what? That is your profit by cost price into 100. Now if you put the values in this formula, profit is how much? That is your 200 divided by cost price is how much? It is your 800, then into it is how much? It is your 100. If you simplify 200 800, you can cancel here how many times? It is your 4 times. Then 100 and 4 will be how much? It is your 25. So how much? It is your 25%. So if you see here option, which one? Option B is your correct option here. Next, question number 68. In a class there is how much? 50 students and 40% are boys. How many boys are there in the classroom? So 40% means what? 40 by 100. And total number of students how many? 50. If you simplify here, 50 and 100, it will go how many times? It will go 2 times. Then your 40 and 2, it will be your 20. So how many students? There are 20 students. It means option B is your correct option here. Next, question number 69. A number is increased by 30% if its original number is how much? 50. What is the new number? So again 30% means what? That is your 30 by 100 and then into how much? 50. If you simplify again, 50 and 100, it will be 2 times. Then 30 and 2, if you divide, it will be how many times? 15. Now plus original how much? 50. So 15 plus 50 equal to how much? It is your 65. So if you see here option, which one? Option B is your correct option. Next, question number 70. Students scored how much? 80 marks out of 100 in a test. What is his percentage score? So that is your 80% only. It is a very easy question. So option B is your correct option. Next, question number 71. If a car travels 120 kilometer in 3 hours, what is his speed? So your speed equal to, formula is what? Speed formula is distance by time. So distance how much given? 120 given, and time how much given? 3 hours. If you divide 120 divided by 3, how much? It is your 40. So option B is your correct option. Next, question number 67 here. So they ask here, a train travels at a speed of how much? That is your 72 kilometer per hour. How much distance it will cover in 2 hours? Okay, so again there is the same formula, speed is equal to distance by time. So here you have to multiply. Okay, so here they ask distance, so distance equal to what? Speed into time. So if you multiply here, 72 into 2 will be how much? It will be your 144. But in the option again 144 option not given, but your actual answer is what? 144. Next, question number 73. A person walks 10 kilometer in 2 hours. What is his walking speed? So again, so speed equal to what formula? Distance by time. So distance how much given? 10 given, so by 2. So 10 by 2 how much? It is a 5 kilometer per hour. So option B is your correct option. Next, question number 74. A car travels how much? It is your 60 kilometer per hour. How long it will take to travel 180 kilometer? So again what? You have to divide here. Formula is same, speed equal to distance by time. So your here what they ask here? It is a ask time. So time equal to what? It is your distance by speed. So if you divide here, it will be how much? 3 hours. Okay, so 180 divided by 60 how much? It is your 3 hours. Next, question number 75. If a cyclist travels at 18 kilometer per hour for 5 hours, okay, what is the distance will he cover? So again same formula, speed equal to distance by time. So distance equal to speed into time. So if you multiply here, 18 into 5 will be how much? It is a 90. So option B is your correct option here. Next, question number 75. If a cyclist, okay, it is already solved. Next, question number 76. A shopkeeper bought a watch of how much? That is your 1500 and sold it for 1800. What is his profit? So profit equal to, formula is your what? Selling price minus cost price. So selling price is given 1800 and cost price given 1500. So if you subtract here 1800 minus 1500, there will be 300. So option B is your correct option. Next, question number 77. If a product is sold at how much? It is given 450 at a profit of 25%. Then what was its cost price? Okay, so here it is given values. What value is given? It is given selling price given how much? 450. Okay, so selling price is given to you 450. And next, what value given? Here it is given profit percentage. Okay, so profit percentage is also given how much? 25%. Okay, then next they ask cost price. Okay, so cost price is equal to, formula is what? That is your SP into 100. Okay, selling price into 100 divided by profit percentage plus 100. Okay, so if you do here, your selling price how much? It is your 450 into how much? That is your 100 divided by here how much? Profit percentage, it is given 25. So 25 plus how much? It is your 100. Next, if you simplify further, if you multiply here, it will, you get how much? 45000 you will get, and then if you add here 125 you will get. So if you divide here, so if you divide them, you will get how much? You will get 350. You will get, okay, 350. So option which one? Option E is your correct option here. Next, question number 78. A person bought a book for 200 and sold it at a loss of 10%. What is the selling price? Okay, so selling price is equal to, formula will be what? Selling price is equal to, formula cost price then into 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, if you put the values here, so your cost price is how much? Cost price is given here, that is your 200. Okay, so 200, then your 100 minus loss percentage is your 10, then divide by here 100. Okay, then if you simplify further, so 100 200 will be how many time? 2 time. Then 2 into, if you subtract here 100 minus 10 will be 90. Then if you multiply 2 into 90, how much? That is your 180. So if you see here, option which one? Option B is your correct option here. Next, question number 79. If a shopkeeper makes a profit of 20% on an article bought for how much? 600, what is the selling price? So again, formula will be what? Selling price is equal to, formula cost price into what? 100 plus profit this time, and divide by 100. So if you see here, your cost price is given how much? That is your 600. Cost price is 600, and then 100 plus profit is how much given here? Profit is 20%. Okay, divided by here it is 100. Again, if you simplify further, 100 and 600, if you divide here how much? It is 6 time. Then next 6 into how much? That will be your 120. If you add 120, how much? 120. Then if you multiply, it will be your 0. Then 6 into 2 will be 12. So next 6 into 1 6, and 1 will be 7. So 720. So if you see here, option which one? Option A is your correct option. Next, question number 80. So if you see here, they ask, a man bought a bicycle for 800 and sold it for 900. What is his profit percentage? So again, if you see here, that is your cost price is given 800 and selling price given 900. So it means 100 is the profit. Okay, so now profit by what? So 100 by cost price is 800, then into how much? It will be your 100. Now if you see here, you can cancel here 0 0, so 0 0 you can cancel. Then if you divide 100 with 8, you will get how much? 12.5. so option B is your correct option here. Next, question number 81. The average weight of 6 student is how much? That is your 50 kg. If one student with weight 60 kg leaves, then what is the new average weight. Okay, so you have to find out here. So there are how many students? There are 6 students, so 6 into average is how much? 50, so is equal to how much? 300. So from there you have to subtract how much? 60 kg, because one student with 60 kg, it is leaves. Okay, so minus how much? 60. So if you subtract, you'll get how much? You'll get 240. So now 240, there are how many students left? Now 5 students left. If you divide, how much you'll get? You'll get 40 kg. So it means option which one? Option B is your correct option. Next question number 82. The average of 4 different number is how much? That is your 50. If the sum of 3 number is 150, what is the fourth number? So 4 number means what? 4 into 50. If you multiply, you'll get how much? 200. And then it is how much? For 3 of them, it is given how much? 150. So subtract 150 from there, you'll get 50. So option which one? Option B is your correct option. Okay, so if you like this video, please do subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you.